Hi.
Hi, Gazi.
Yeah, hi. How are you?
How are you? I'm fine.
Well, thank you.
Welcome.
You're from Pakistan, right? Okay. First, we
Yeah.
spoke. Yeah, maybe you tried to say some Bangla. So, can you speak Bangla? What do you know?
কেমন আছি?
How did you learn Bangla? How did you know Bangla?
I know a little bit.
And another word, if you know? No.
But I understand.
Yeah, ভালো আছি.
ভালো আছি.
Yeah, that means
ভালো আছি.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
কেমন আছি? ভালো আছি.
Yeah, কেমন আছি ভালো আছি. That's really awesome to hear from you. Dear sister, are you a student?
No.
Oh, so what do you do for yourself?
Nothing.
Nothing.
All day I'm doing this
okay.
and that.
Yeah. Okay, so you know what? Any Bangladeshi can go to Pakistan without visa.
For Bangladesh? For Bangladesh?
Yeah, from Bangladesh to Pakistan. No need to make any visa. Visa-free country between Bangladesh and Pakistan. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. So I'm planning to come in Pakistan.
When you come?
Maybe within 2 months, I will come in Pakistan.
Okay. Welcome.
Yeah. So could you tell me which is the best place for visitors?
You must visit Lahore.
Lahore.
Okay.
Okay. But which city do you live in?
Karachi.
Karachi.
Pakistan's big city.
Yeah, I know.
And
Okay.
then Karachi.
Then Karachi. No, first Karachi and then Lahore. First Karachi because of my sister.
Oh my God. Oh.
Is it ठीक है? ठीक है?
ठीक है. बहुत अच्छा है.
Okay,
उर्दू
अच्छा.
सीखो उर्दू.
Okay.
सीख लो
Yeah,
आप मुझसे.
certainly. मुझे उर्दू सीखता है, थोड़ा थोड़ा उर्दू जानता है.
हाँ.
Yeah.
थोड़ा थोड़ा आप अच्छा बोल रहे हो. थोड़ा
Yeah.
थोड़ा.
मुझे बताओ more something बताओ.
मैं आपको बताऊं अगर तो आपको ऐसे ग्रीन टी पसंद है. ग्रीन टी बहुत ज्यादा अगर आपको पसंद है तो आपको इस्लामाबाद विजिट करना है. और मतलब मतलब फूड वगैरह के लिहाज से. और अगर आपको ऐसे आउटिंग करनी है तो फिर आपको लाहौर और कराची बेस्ट है. ये सब प्लेसेस. बेबी डॉल वेलकम.
All right. So how expensive to stay in Karachi and Lahore?
नहीं एक्सपेंसिव सिटी इस्लामाबाद. रिजनेबल है यहाँ पर. कराची में और लाहौर में रिजनेबल है.
Okay, so you know what? My friend and me are planning to come in Pakistan. So nowadays, Bangladeshi people is not going to the India. Instead, they are planning to go to the Pakistan. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.